Hello, my name's Kevin Dixon. I'm a local historian, and this is one of my top 10 walks on the English Riviera. It begins here amidst the bustle of Paignton Pier and ends in the calm of Elbury Cove. The walk is 3.3 miles long and will take up to an hour and 30 minutes. We begin at Paignton Pier, which first opened to the public in 1879 and which stretches 780 feet out into Tor Bay. This is Paignton Beach on the English Riviera at the heart of England's seafood coast and very much part of the traditional and much loved British seaside. We now head towards Paignton's 18th century harbour. This is one of my favourite parts of the walk because it's such a bustle and a hive of activity, particularly in the summer months. This is a real hidden gem of Paignton. And here we are at our final destination of Elbury Cove. Framed by these terrific wooded hills, this is a small pebbly beach, but it's very secluded and very quiet and so far away from the hustle and bustle of Paignton Harbourside. Thank you for joining me on this walk today, and I hope to see you out in the English Riviera soon.